Hello guys and welcome back to Them Fast. Today we have a really nice Hyundai I20. I just took it for a POV drive and I actually really liked it. But in this video we will talk some more about the interior, the exterior, the practicality, and is this car any good? But let's start off with the engine of this car. This is a 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine with 99 horsepower and 170 newton meters of torque. And I hear you say that's not much, and that's true, but it actually sounds really nice. But this car has some very clever things. On this cover it says Turbo Smart Stream G, a really fancy name, and I think this is because of the hybrid volt. So we do have a 48 volt mild hybrid system. Yeah, it actually says it on the back. But if we move to the front of the car,
it says it on the side, and if we move to the back of the car.
If we move to the rear of the car, we of course have the luggage compartment right here, but we also have a lithium-ion battery. So this is a 48 volt battery, and it is used to store some energy in, which can be used by the starter motor of the car. Which gives this car a bit more performance and also a bit more kilometers per liter of gasoline. So that's actually nice, and it is a manual, which is also very nice. I love that it's a manual. So we have a very nice color as well. This car is provided by Wittebrug Hyundai. So thanks guys for providing this awesome car. But as you can see, it's just a really small, it's sort of small family car. It is actually nice to be in. I mean, this is not all that special. In the rear, we actually have a very nice LED strip, as you can see. We have a small camera for the driving in the rear, and we also have, I mean, this is not a real spoiler, but it's not a real diffuser, but it does look very nice. And here we just have a regular filler cap, so we do not plug this car in. It's just a regular gas car. But right now we're going to get into the interior of the i20. So actually we have the name of the color here. It's aqua turquoise. So we just have a regular key with a regular start system. Oh, so you have to put it into neutral to be able to start the car. So this car actually has a very nice feature, and I did not know that a manual car actually has this feature. So it has sailing mode, and I did know it from a couple of DSG cars. So if you let off the throttle, then the car automatically pushes the clutch in, or it puts it into neutral, but the car just shuts off its whole engine while you're still driving to save some more fuel. You can also get it off by putting it into sport mode, and then it just keeps on being on. And here you can see the different modes. So you have a sport mode, which is my favorite mode. You have the eco mode with changed throttle response, and we have a comfort mode with some very fancy dials and stuff. So in terms of the interior, I mean, this is a rather cheap car. It's a 18k euro car, but it's actually really nice. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto right here on the central dash. We do not have a inbuilt navigation system, but you don't really need it because you just use the navigation on your phone. We do have a pretty sporty steering wheel. It's really relatively small, relatively Yeah, it's nice. And we do have some fake leather right here. This is just scratchy plastics, but it's to be expected from a car at this price point. So let's check out if the rear of the car is also nice. So here we are in the rear of the Hyundai i20, and I'm actually pretty fine right there. We have loads of knee room and room for your feet. This is actually really nice. The headroom is also okay. It's comparable to a Volkswagen Polo, and the shoulder room is a bit cramped, but it's okay. There is place for 3 adults, but I think it would be very, very cramped if you would choose to do so. We also have one USB. It's a normal USB Type A charging socket for the rear passengers, and we have electric windows all throughout the car. So let's now take this car for a drive. Oh, and it is child locking.
Bonjour.
Are you kidding me? All right, so let's take this i20 for a drive. And I have to say, this is the most fun car that we drove today, because it's a manual, and hear it is engine sound. It's actually really nice to drive, and it's a very light car. So it is kind of nice in corners. It's not sporty, just very comfortable. And the engine is actually relatively torquey. And I also found that it does some rev matching of its own, which is also really cool. Did you expect that much torque from this car?
No.
It is actually really torquey. So if you want to have the full driving experience of this Hyundai i20, then check out the POV video of this car, where I take you guys on a trip on the highway, a little bit of city driving, as well as some more acceleration videos of this car as well. It's just a really nice all-round vehicle. Alright, so Robert, what do you think of this car?
I think for the money, like 80k in euros, it's actually pretty good. It's fun to drive. It has a lot of features that are actually quite cool. So like the sport mode,
really
the dashboard is nice. The CarPlay and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think a big thumbs up for this Hyundai i20. I think only.
Is that a new model, the I think?
No. I think just give it some cool rims and a color that you like. It's actually a cool color, but it's also a quite boring color.
It's not a boring color, come on.
No, gray is boring and black is boring.
This is quite a nice color, but I do think I share your opinion about
the rims.
You can make this car just look a lot cooler with some nice wheels.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of tinted windows as well.
Yeah.
In
you
the,
have
in
a
the
really
rear.
cool car.
Not too much, but just a bit.
Yeah. So thanks for watching and see you guys.
Yeah, I'm parking, Robin.
It
has parking sensors as well.
It has parking peepers.
And don't crash into the Tesla in front of us, because that will be a very expensive thing. So, guys, that was the Hyundai i20, and it is a very nice sound. Yeah, I love it. It's nice. So, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Ciao.
Ciao.